Hi everyone. Today in this video you can learn how to install Python 3.14.4 on Windows 10. You can also see how to run Python simple loop program. Now I am going to download Python. Open web browser. You can open your favorite browser. Go to Google search bar. Type download Python. Press enter. Click on first link. Download Python. Now the Python official website is open. Click on Python 3.14.4 standalone installer. Now the Python installer is download. It is 28.9 megabits installer. Right-click on installer. Click open. Close web browser. Check on python.exe2 path. Check on use admin privileges when installing py.exe. Click install now. Now the Python installation in progress. You will have to wait until the installation is finished. Now the setup was successful. Click close. After Python installation, now let us verify the Python version. Go to Windows search. Type cmd. Click open. Type Python version. Press enter. Now you can see the Python version 3.14.4. This means Python successfully installed on Windows. Now I am going to create Python simple loop program. Go to Windows search. Type IDLE. Click open. For I in range bracket open 1, 10 bracket close colon press enter. Print bracket open I bracket close. Press enter. Enter again. Now you can see loop is running. You can also save this program. Click on file. Click Save As. I am going to save this file on desktop. I am given it name called loop.py. Click on Save. Close idle. As you can see, the file appear on desktop. So viewers, in this video tutorial you can learn how you can easily install Python and run simple loop program in Python on Windows. If you like this video, please share, like and subscribe my channel.